learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yunlin's Laihui community features cement walls decorated with simple greetings and adorable paintings of village and farming scenes by local students. They, along with the community's development association, work the design and planning as well as the preservation of classic Hakka-styled houses. Residents also learned how to make Zaoan Hakka lion door plates to adorn their houses. Visitors can feast their eyes on the Zaoan Hakka culture by touring the mud-bricked houses that still contain old furnishings from the bygone era when farming was the daily norm.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我係邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This month, the month of September, we're going to continue to go in depth to a particular county that I'm not too familiar with. 其实这个月呢，刚好介绍这个县呢，是我比较不熟悉的，所以我也很想去探索，就是我们云林县啊。
超哥啊，
对，
云林县，其实客家人也蛮多的，但是呢，比较少被介绍到。
对，所以今天这个月好好的来隆重介绍云林县的哪里呢？
我们来去尼伦乡。
尼伦乡，
二仑乡有一个来会社区来菲沙奇。
来菲沙奇 ，Saki is a community。
这里面有一条哈嘎巷。
Hakka Hong 客家巷，对，是不是 ？Hong is a alley, a Hakka alley。
这条巷子里面旁边都有那个凤某奶的那个围墙。
你要干嘛？
不是，我说那个凤某奶做的一个围墙。
奶是什么东西？
就是
我要
水泥啦。
我会想到别的东西。
你想到什么东西？
牛奶？
不是。其实那个叫做红毛泥，它就是水泥的意思。
Okay. So cement actually in Hakka they call it 红毛泥。
对啊。
怎么说？
凤某奶
，OK， 它真的就是水泥哦。
这边的水泥墙上面就会写一些生活的问候语啦，然后就画一些村民的生活啊、农耕的景象，所以来到这边你就可以了解一下这边的居民生活的一个大概的状况。
Okay, so on this cement wall at this alley, you can find a lot of paintings and pictures. It's about the lifestyle of the people there, and it's something definitely very cute to check out and historic at the same time. This is all at 二仑乡的来会社区，
尼伦乡来菲沙奇，
and it's a Hakka alley 客家巷，
客家巷
and there is a cement wall there that is beautifully painted 水泥
凤某奶
都在这个二仑乡好好的去玩一下咯。That does it for today's talk about Hakka。
什么太嘎？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.